Want to add custom fonts in Outgrow to really make your forms, quizzes, or calculators stand out? I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to get your custom fonts up and running in Outgrow and show you how you can make your brand shine in this versatile platform. Stay tuned, because I'll also tell you how you can get started with Outgrow for free through an exclusive offer at the end. Outgrow is an incredible tool for marketers looking to create interactive content like quizzes, assessments, and calculators, but sometimes the default fonts don't quite match your brand style. Customizing fonts is a great way to make your Outgrow projects more personalized and aligned with your branding. Let's dive into the simple steps to add custom fonts in Outgrow. First, you need to head to the design section of your Outgrow account. Once you're inside, look for the font settings. By default, Outgrow offers several fonts, but for those of you wanting something unique or more in line with your brand style, custom fonts are a great solution. To add custom fonts, you'll need to use the custom CSS option. Don't worry, this isn't as complicated as it sounds. Simply go to the custom CSS box in the design area, where you can input the code to link to your custom font. You'll need a font file hosted somewhere on the web, like Google Fonts or your own hosted font files. You'll use a simple font face rule or embed the Google Fonts code directly into the CSS box. For example, if you're using Google Fonts, you'll grab the embed link provided by Google Fonts for the specific font you want to use. Here's a quick snippet of what that might look like. CSS import URL https fonts.googleaps.com, cs2.family, your chosen font and display swap. Body, font family, your chosen font, sans serif. Just paste that code in the custom CSS section and you're done. Your custom font will now be applied throughout your Outgrow forms and calculators. It's that easy. Now, if you want to be even more precise and apply your custom font to specific elements, like headings or answers, you can target those elements with additional CSS rules. For instance, to apply the custom font to just your headers, you'd use CSS H1, H2, H3, font family, your chosen font, sans serif. This ensures that your headers stand out in the custom font while keeping other text in the default font or another style you choose. It's also a good idea to make sure your custom fonts are responsive. You don't want them to look weird on different screen sizes, so test your design across devices to ensure everything scales properly. One thing to keep in mind is that Outgrow does not have built-in font uploading, so if you're not familiar with CSS or don't want to deal with coding, you may want to stick with the fonts provided in the platform or reach out for more custom solutions through support. But if you're comfortable with CSS, you can really take your forms to the next level with custom typography. If you're new to Outgrow, or if you've been on the fence about trying it out, here's some great news. You can actually use this software completely free for a limited time through the exclusive link below, along with our special bonus offer. You can get hands-on with creating your own branded interactive content with all the customization options, including custom fonts, to make your forms look amazing. So go ahead and start customizing your Outgrow experience and make your interactive content more aligned with your brand. And don't forget, check out the link below to grab your extended free trial and start creating now.